Some people spend their Sundays stuck in traffic. I spend mine heading south with Chole, chasing tacos and bad decisions. We rolled into the Pirate Bar, the kind of place where the drinks are strong, the decor has stories, and the locals might just have a little pirate in them. Margarita, perfect. Guacamole, even better. My retirement plan, still non-existent. With the important business of margaritas and guacamole handled, we pointed the nose home. Chole took over navigation, which mostly means sticking her head out the window. I decided the scenic route was the only route. A little more ocean, a little more breeze, just stretching the day out as long as possible. No spreadsheets, no deadlines, just salt on the rim, sand in my shoes, and a co-pilot that doesn't talk back. Welcome to my casa. BYO guac.